Hi, this is Amber Zinke with Evolve Electrical. Today we're going to be talking about modifying spools. So for our spools, we actually utilize assemblies, but we enhance them. So traditionally, to edit this assembly, you'd go up here and choose this edit assembly. And if I wanted to remove this hanger from here, I'd have to select this. But I would have to select it multiple times just because there's nested families within this family. So there's a lot of clicks involved with that. So to save time, you can go into here and define a spool. I'm just going to go back and get it back to the view previously. So we can modify the spool, and what you're able to do is then just quickly remove elements. As you can see here, those are out of the spool. Or you can come in here and add things by just one single click instead of having to select all of the nested families. And you're able to then merge spools together. So there's multiple different ways that you can edit and modify your spool using this command. That is today's fun feature on modifying spools. If you have any questions or want to know more, go to our website and request a demo. Thanks.